All right, guys, so you just got started. You already went through your IML Academy. That's great. All right. What I'll definitely suggest now is to start looking at IML TV. IML TV, to me, is probably one of the best products that IML has access to. And in my opinion, this is where I believe a large percentage of the value for me is, because the thing is, you're having over 20 live trainers at different aspects of trading, and different styles of trading that you get access to at your fingertips, for less than $200 a month. And I think that's really, really good. So you have two different versions that you can be able to go into. It says live trading, right? Live training schedule, and then also a recording, right? So you can be able to see what they recorded from the past over here. But we're going to go to where it says live access. Okay, so click where it says access now. What you're going to get access to now, what you have to do is you have to put in your information, right? Again, click submit. And then from there, you're going to be able to get access to this. What I really think is cool is the fact that you have crypto education. So if you want to learn about Bitcoin and all the altcoins and stuff like that, you'll be able to learn it there. Also English. If you know people that speak English, if you know people that speak Spanish, German, Portuguese, French, we have trainers in every language, which is really, really cool. Polish and Italian just got added. And literally, it's specific teachers that speak that specific language. And then you'll see times and stuff like that. Okay, so we're gonna go back to English. All right, we're gonna go back to English. All right, and then you're gonna see specific trainers, right, that you get access to. What's cool is you can also download the app, right? iMarkets Live TV also has an app, right? And the app is iMarkets Live TV. You can be able to look it up on your iPhone, and I'm pretty sure you're on your Android as well, right? And then as you can see, there's a schedule. So right now, it is Wednesday at 5:30 p.m. So being the fact that it's Wednesday, I can be able to look, and I wouldn't be surprised if there's somebody teaching about something right now. Okay, so I'm going to look. Maybe there is, maybe there isn't, right? But definitely in the next couple hours there is, right? So the next person that's going to be training Wednesday is at 7 p.m. So Kyle Woodley and Kevin Serrano, hopefully I pronounced that right, are going to be talking about charting in the Tokyo market, right? And yeah, that's the next person that's going to be training, right? So what you'll do is you literally just go to their face, right? You'll go to their face and then literally just click to be able to access their channel, which is really, really cool, right? So in the next couple hours, you'll be able to access their information and their session, right? As you can see, you'll be able to write in the comment box, which is really, really cool, right? And you can be able to write to them, right? Now, let's just say, who are the people that I specifically follow myself? I follow a couple people, right? So Christopher Derrick, right, is very, very good. He's at 2 a.m. Talking about the London session, and then also he has other sessions that he had in the past, but right now it's just 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, right? And then also Mike Miles is somebody that I follow as well, right? He's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday at 12 a.m. Justin Adams is really, really good as well. 9 p.m. Tuesdays and Thursdays. Now, I'm pretty sure everybody on here is great. Obviously, they wouldn't be on here if they weren't. It's just these are the people that I personally follow that I just wound up clicking their information and I like them, right? Definitely, I think one of my favorite is Stevenson Lindor, right? He's on Sunday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then on Tuesday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right? He's really, really good. Somebody else that I also follow as well is these guys right here. I don't know how to pronounce their names, right? But they talk about strategy and stuff like that as well. 2 p.m. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. They speak. And also my personal mentor that I thank God for every single day, right, is Mrs. Dr. K. or just Dr. Kathy Kirkland. All right. So I definitely would suggest to wake up at 5 a.m. Monday through Thursday to get access to her information Eastern Standard Time. And believe me, everybody loves Dr. K. All right. So you click onto her live session, and let me tell you something. Dr. K goes in. All right. So what will happen is once you click here at 5 a.m. on the dot, it will automatically load up, and then you're going to be able to get access to be able to write to her. You know, thank you. Right. And it'll be able to show up right here. All right, guys. So if you have any questions or any other videos that you would definitely suggest to be able to, help out the organization and to help out yourself, please write in the comment box. Like, subscribe this video, and share this with somebody else that needs help or literally just got started. Right? We're here to be able to help. All right, guys. So let's become an FX Pro now.